Okay, I remember the days when I was studying that new pioneers has this mindset, cash out mindset. This is wrong. Dr. Nicholas Kokales had an interview together with uh, her wife, Cheng Fang Dao, Sifan, okay? Sifan. So there was an interview with an old interview video featuring Dr. NK and Dr. Cheng, Dr. Sifan. And then everyone around the world, China, Philippines, Korea, Nigeria, and other countries traded Pi for real world goods and services. Again, for real world goods and services. And then maybe I'm not a computer scientist like them, but maybe this is the meaning of Pi work is what pioneers make it work. So the pioneers are trading Pi for goods and services for the GCV 314,159. So it is now written in codes. If you see the codes of Kosahi, the Indonesian guy, sa GitHub, it's already written here. $314,159. It is really emphasized in dollars. So for now guys, take care of your Pi, take care of your health, take care of your job, and let's wait for the good news to come. Bye!